Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you on how to turn off time sensitive notifications on Snapchat. So just open your Snapchat application on your device. Now you can see here the notifications that you have in your Snapchat account. So in order to turn that off, just close your Snapchat account and then go to your phone's settings, that one, and then scroll down and click on apps, this one. Okay, and then tap on manage apps, and then after that look for your Snapchat application. So you can also use the search bar at the top corner, so just type out Snapchat and then tap on notifications option. Okay, and then you can see here, you can see everything here, so just toggle off the switch. Okay, and then all the notifications from Snapchat will not be disturbing you anymore. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.